Are you ready?
Everybody with me?
We're ready.
How you doing?
Ready to roll? Let's do it.
I chose Trident Technical College because I think it's an amazing program. I think it's a great college, a great school for anybody and everybody.
I really recommend coming to Trident. It's just such a good school and really prepares you for not only the rest of college, but just the rest of your life.
Faculty and staff are actually really friendly. They are extremely great at what they do. Like they're very helpful when it comes to the million questions from a bunch of different students. They're just very encouraging and want you to succeed.
I recently just got out of the Navy, and because of TTC's flexible schedule, I was able to start school immediately. I like their fast-paced schedule, taking 2 classes at a time during 7 weeks instead of taking 5 over a whole entire semester like a traditional school. I really like that setup.
Me and my brother started taking dual credit courses at Trident Tech when we were 14 years old. It was pretty difficult at first, but we got the hang of it. Yeah, we started getting pretty good at it. It was pretty fun.
I was in mechatronics. Mechatronics is kind of like mechanical, electrical, robotics, like all combined. So when I was in math class, they taught us, okay, well this is standard deviation, but this is how you're gonna use it. I would go to Cummins for 4 hours a day and pretty much just do on-the-job training and shadow people. I got offered a position full-time, so I'm no longer an apprentice. I'm 20 and I'm sitting in my own house, so it's pretty great.
I say you should go for it, but not only will you learn from the book, but you'll learn hands-on.
I don't want to do anything else ever.
Trident Tech has definitely got me prepared for the job that I'm about to go into.
It's definitely the best.
When a lot of people think of an essay, they have a vision of 1 to 5 neatly typed pages. The essays I was reading ranged from neatly typed pages to half a handwritten paragraph. The people writing the essays were from all walks of lives, but they all had in common an expression of a desire to advance their education and improve their lives.
I was always told as a kid that I would never be anything. I was abused growing up, so having to endure all of that, I had to kind of find my own way in life.
Neither one of my parents have a degree or anything like that.
So why are you getting one?
I mean, it's just something I've always wanted to do, just wasn't financially able to do it. These days and times, you need to have college behind you.
Trident Tech really helped with confidence. When I applied, I had all this fear and doubt. I really didn't know if I could do it.
In about 2015, I turned 50, and I said to myself, what can I do that I hadn't done before? And that was to get my degree.
If there was someone that was deciding to go back to college or maybe even going to college for the first time, such as myself, I would encourage anybody at any age to go to college because nowadays, education is the only key that you will have to success.
I went from being like somebody that didn't think very much of herself at all to somebody who's like, I can do anything that I try to do.
Going to Trident was the best decision I think I've made so far in my life.
I chose the HVAC refrigeration program because there's tons of jobs out there right now, and you can pretty much get a job right after graduation, if not before graduation.
I'm a single parent who loves to cook. It's always been my desire to pursue culinary, and I absolutely love it. And if I can do it, anyone can.
I'm here at Trident Tech in the Fitness Specialist program, and this is the most fun I've ever had at school.
I would absolutely recommend Trident for anyone who wants to pursue a career in nursing, whether they're straight out of high school or even later on in life. It's very flexible and very affordable. It really is preparing us to be outstanding and very skilled nurses in the workforce.
The instructors work with you to make sure that you are going to get a job.
And they encourage that we learn as much as we can, and it's just so much fun.
You really feel like everybody here wants you to succeed.
I made it.
Don't look back, look forward, and you can do anything. Anything you put your mind to, you will accomplish.
Feels great. I can't tell you how good it feels.
Mom, Dad, I made it!
Graduation for me means validation. It means validation of all the work that I put in. And it means that I'm somebody. It may just be a piece of paper, but for me, it's a mountain that I climbed.